Hello friends, after a long gap of 4 months, me, Gopa Chakravarti from Greenhouse. Friends, and with a heavy heart I start my show. The show must go on, Aina. So, and we should all cooperate with our artisans. We should all support our artisans. They have magic in their hands. Please support me. You've been always supporting me. Let me move forward. Let me show you my collections for today. Dear, this is the sari number 1. I am showing you a crisp cotton. Come out of your quarantine dresses and wear this Greenhouse sari. 1450. This is all block print on a dhone khali cotton. And this goes like this, a beautiful one, very comfortable. Trust me, they are very comfortable saris. Come out of your kaftans and dresses and start wearing this, you'll feel nice. 1450 taka, number 2, sari number 2, screenshot din, WhatsApp me dear. These are very popular ones from Greenhouse. They are self-designed ones, all block printed. 1450. Hey, we have one more to show you. Sari number 3. Lovely beige. Cool effect. Look at my blocks. We specialize on these block prints. 1450. Number 3. You wear a good sari, you feel nice about it. My artisans are all in a depressive state of mind. Help them. Help them. Buy at least one sari. 2700 for number 4. 2700 for number 4. This is an embroidered cotton. This goes like this. Drape is like this. Look at this sari. Fresh cotton, 100 count cotton. This sari costs 2700 because they're all embroidered. Zari embroidery. Oh, nice. These are all my dhone khali ones. You've been using these saris and there was a lot of requirements. And friends, my movements are all restricted. I am 70 plus, so you can just imagine they've all stopped me from coming out. Hence the delay. Number 5, 2100 dear. This is all mixed match saris. Handloom, Katha border. All paisleys all throughout. Very smart ones. Look at this. Look at the sari. They are very elegant ones, classy ones. Those who like Greenhouse saris opt for these. Good ones, grab. WhatsApp me. This is the sari number 6. Zigzag. Loved by all. With olive and black zigzag. A few patches I have given. That has enhanced the beauty of the sari. দেখুন একেবারে সুন্দর লাগছে, একটুখানি কিছু একটু নিজের টাচ, and it looks elegant, classy, তাই না? 2100 টাকা দাম মাত্র. This is only for 2100. We move forward with this. This is a cut work sari. Look at the color, the mustard one, crisp cotton. All embroidered. The yoke portion is embroidered. This sari costs 3400 dear, and all throughout there are buttas. All throughout there are buttas. And this is all 100 count cotton. wash and wear. No need of ironing also. They have a lot of strength. Look at this. This was in high demand in March show. Number 8. This is our Parsi Jali embroidered sarees. I specialize on embroidery. Look at this. একটা স্ক্রিনশট নিন, স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে আমায় পাঠান। Let's hope for the best. 3600 টাকা দামের একটা খুব সুন্দর জারি চেক শাড়ি। They're all zari checkered ones. It gives you a luster. Look at this. Your portion I have highlighted a little so that it will cover your front portion. And the sari goes like this. Let me drape it for you and show you how evenly the look at the drape. দেখেই আরাম হচ্ছে। শাড়ি পরুন, একটা ফ্রেশ সকালবেলা শাড়ি পরুন। The famed ones, Amar Gujarati. Oh goodness, the mehendi color Gujarati. Comfortable one. Dhani color, dhani rongta. Neem pholer rong. 2400 dear. You have to all pair blouses with these, contrast blouses. They are all without blouses. 2400. 5.5 meters. One more. Look at the color. এটাতেও কাথিয়াবাড় stitches রয়েছে। This is also for 2400. Friends, these are all luxurious items. Checkered silk, Bishnupur silk. They are the checkered ones. Check silk. We name it check silk. This is for 3600, but you are getting 300 rupees discount on silk sarees. 3600. 300 rupees discount. Number 11. It has a blouse piece. পুরো শাড়িটা দেখেন। It has a blouse piece like this. The silks, the greenhouse silks are popular ones. Number 12. 3600. Yellow and magenta discharge করে করা হয়েছে। So many inquiries. লকডাউনে এত সবাই খবর নিয়েছেন আমার। আমি তাই ভালো শাড়ি দেখাচ্ছি। 3600. You'll get it for only 3300. This is the blouse piece. Very rich print. Number 13. 13 is always a lucky number for me. This is 36, but you are getting it for 3300. 3300. Look at the palla. Palla is so nice. Magic in their hands, really. Look at the blouse section. Going for 3300, dear. This is a Korean tussar. I'm left behind. One Korean tussar is with me. This is a shaded one. This is for 4800. This saree is for 4800. You are getting it for 300 rupees less. 4500 you are getting it. 4500. Look at this saree. This is Korean, but the drape is fantastic. Drape is very beautiful. Drape is good. Look at the saree. Drape is nice. Yeah, this is the zari bordered tashor. যেগুলোর ভীষণ demand. All discharge prints, lovely color. Shading into difficult shading করে করা. This goes for 5400. Number 15 goes for 5400. WhatsApp me 5400. 300 rupees less for this saree also. You're getting it for 5100, please. And the blouse section. A lovely one. Number 16. This is also one piece. I think this is also Korean tussar. The little economical range. You will get the price 4500. Actually this is 48. You are getting it for 4500. Number 16. Number 16. Look at this saree. It has the palla like this and the blouse piece. Yeah friends, we've moved forward to one more. Number 17. Number 17. This is actually Gachi Tashor saree. This is for 6200. There's no discount on this saree. 6200. Wonderful palla. The saree goes like this. This is a beautiful palla. Look at the saree. Gives you a traditional look. Look at the blouse piece. Vermilion red. And number 18. WhatsApp me. Subscribe korte bhulben na. There's a lot of effort behind everything. Oneke dekhte parbe. Please keep sharing. My friends, please keep sharing. Number 18. Dear, this is for 5800. This is Gachi Tashor. This is block print. Heritage. One of the heritage prints. Kolkata dekhiyeche puro. And this is Rabindrik also. এগুলো দেখুন. Masterpiece. This is 5800. There's no discount on this saree. We have a suit color blouse. This is not exactly black. It's dark suit. This is a very dashing color. So many people will like it. I'll be able to make the sarees. Number 19. Number 19. Saree number 19 is for 5400. This has a discount. I'll give it to you for 5100. 300 rupees less. 5100. Floral print. Bright yellow. Look at the saree. So beautiful. শাড়িতে লোকেরা রিগার্ডও করবে, রেসপেক্টও করবে মনে হয় আমার। শাড়ি পরলে একটা রেসপেক্ট এসে যায়। শাড়ি পরুন, শাড়ি পরলে একটা যেন একটা রেসপেক্ট ভেতর থেকেই আসে সবাই। নাম্বার 20, নাম্বার 20 ইজ ফর 11,000 অনলি। এটা তো আমাদের ভীষণ পেটেন্ট ওয়ান। গ্রিন হাউসের এই শাড়ি হতে থাকে, আমিও আজ এই শাড়ি পরেছি। This is tone on tone color, but I thought I'll ভালো লাগবে। Number 20 is 11,000. This is a mustard in magenta, not exactly magenta, this is light soft rani pink, very soft. Tasari ishab color-y, it comes out. Oh, this is so elegant. Subtle colors. This is a cute one. এটা দেখুন, এটা ভীষণ ড্রেসি লাগবে পরলে। সিম্পল শাড়ি, ব্লক প্রিন্টস করানো ছিল ভেতরে, একটু গুজরাটি স্টিচেস দিয়েছি অন দ্য পাল্লা, পাল্লাতে একটু গুজরাটি স্টিচেস, and I've highlighted the saree. Look at the saree. The saree goes like this. Palla. And pair it with this blouse. Complete attire. This costs 9,600. এটা তো আমাদের famous and popular. I keep making these designs. আর এগুলোর ভীষণ ডিমান্ড, এগুলো যত করি তত যায়। This saree, এটার নাম দিয়েছি, you must be knowing, we name the sarees, and this is called thoka phuler shari. Thoka phul, bunch of flowers, and শাড়িটার দাম করেছি 11,000। এটার ভীষণ ডিমান্ড। এটা আমরা কোষা তসরে করেছি, ভার্মিলিয়ন রেড কোষা তসরে, ভীষণ ভালো লাল। আর এটার the blouse section all throughout the saree goes like this. It's a beautiful one. দেখুন, this is the blouse, my saree of the day. এটা একটুখানি I'll have to get up and show you. Oh, my legs pain, let me get up. Look at this saree, this goes like this actually. And then you drape it. Let me drape it for you. এটা ভালো লাগবে দেখালে। Hey, I worn this saree for you. This kalam, but it's on one more saree. I'm wearing one saree, and on that I'm wearing. Look at the saree. This goes like this. This is a hand kalamkari, and we have highlighted the saree zari with zari. And look at this. Look at the saree. This saree costs 20,000, dear. This saree costs 20,000. Zari embroidered, totally ari work. This is one bridal collection, ari work shari, very famous ones from Greenhouse. 1989 আমি শুরু করেছিলাম কাজ। Long been with you. Floral wreaths. I've made floral wreaths on the saree. All handwork, dear. All handwork. Floral wreath, all handwork. Knot-line border, knot-line zari. This saree costs 18,000, 18,000. Friends, we should all take care of ourselves and be safe and move forward. Let's hope for the best. I'm very positive. Give me strength, and you also cheer up, friends. Let's work together.